What's good, traders? So here we go. This is a good example of some of our session range blocks here that we have been building on the back end. So if you'll notice, we're doing a challenge coming up where you're going to have to choose a strategy and stick to it, and the strategies are all based around range breaks. When a stock specifically, we're going to be working with MNQ, but NASDAQ, S&P, ES, MES, MNQ. MNQ is the best for this, honestly, especially if you're just getting started. But if you'll notice, I'm showing like a little pointer. I guess I kind of do. Here, maybe. There we go. If you'll notice right here, this BO with the arrow there, that means breakout. That's from the 8 a.m. session range. So you see how at 8 a.m. price broke above 29. Is that 29 some change? 29.2. And we got that little arrow there telling us to get long. And had a nice run all the way up to 29.4. And then you'll notice for the, let's see what range this would be. For the 810. 810 to 830 range. That shouldn't have even formed there. I'll have to look into that. But for this other range up here, you'll notice the breakdown with the breakdown arrow pointing down. And looks like we got multiples. I got too many indicators on. Hold on. Here we go. Nope. There we go. All right, so you'll notice we broke down twice there, and you got those little red arrows there. So essentially the strategy is just going to be around range breaks. So it's very popular for people to trade the opening range break. That's kind of one of my least favorites, if I'm being honest. But if that was the one you were trading, you would have probably, and this will show you why. So most people get in at 35. So 930, we fell hard. And then 935 would be this baby right here, this small range here, and we've been chopping around there ever since. So you'd just be stuck in chop fill if you were trading the 930 break today anyways. But if you would have traded the pre-market breaks, and we have after hour breaks as well, you would have been okay. And if you'll see here now, we have these higher time frame candles forming. So if I set the opacity on this baby right here, I wonder if I can. Nope, I can't. But basically, these are like a 60-minute candle and a 15-minute candle formed around your 5-minute candles here. And so you could just enter on the break of the last 15 minutes, like right now would be a bullish entry. And we're going to be doing a futures trading challenge all around this and around following simple rules for breakouts of ranges, doing it right, teaching you guys the right way. There's so much bullshit on YouTube, I can't freaking believe it. So I'm going to make my own and make it better. So we're not going to be trading just the basic orb, but we will be trading range breaks in general. Also, this is great because you can customize it around your schedule. So if you work all day, these are trades you can make in the morning. If you work all night, they're trades you can make in the afternoon. Basically, we have different session blocks everywhere from 4 a.m. We got an 8 a.m., a 4 a.m., a 9:45, a 10:30 a.m. These are all Eastern time. We have a lunch break after that. Then we have a 3 o'clock range break and a 4 o'clock range break, and then an 8 p.m. range break for the after hour session. So these work all different times of day, and I'm going to show you how to customize your charts and how to get these indicators on them, how to learn how to trade a range break with some sense, follow some strict rules. The challenge is more about following rules than anything, and just being disciplined. So I feel like this strategy is a good one to get started with and to build some discipline and some habits over. So that's what we'll be doing. Stay tuned. Indicators will be included too. Should be a lot of fun though, so I look forward to getting you guys started with that, and I will talk to you soon. Peace.